Hello, I'm Sarah with WTI, and let me tell you why these dog toys have been such a huge hit with my dog. Okay, so number one, the squeaker. You get 2 squeakers with each one of these toys, so that's a big hit with Honey. Now, these are unstuffed dog toys, which means she's not going to rip them open and take out all the stuffing, make a mess, or even ingest some of it. So that's a real bonus for me. She loves every one of them, but because you get so many, I'm able to just kind of give her one at a time, and then she can play with that one, maybe wear it out a little, and I still have plenty left in the box. So a little bit goes a long way with these because you get a fox, a lion, a tiger, a squirrel, and a raccoon. Now, Honey hasn't told me which one she prefers, but she really does love them. And the fact that she can play endlessly with them, they have not shown any wear and tear. She hasn't ripped them open. She has such a good time with the squeaker. Honey is so excited by squeaking, and the fact that these come with 2 squeakers has been fantastic, and I love the fact that they are unstuffed. So we are both happy with this decision, and that is my point of view.